Which mode of operation? Parking mode. How to disable the parking mode is remove the side stand automatically. You see here, when the side stand is on, here it indicates an indicator that side stand is on. Okay, and when you remove it, automatically the side stand goes to off. Just use this power button. It comes to drive mode. Okay, so it comes to the drive mode. Okay, so just you accelerate it, it will try to throttle. Okay, so you can see here. So later I will show you how the maximum speed it can be driven. So here this is called as speedometer. What kind of speedometer? This is a physical analog or digital? Digital speedometer. Right now the specification is digital speedometer. This has OTA updates also. OTA means over the air. It has an SIM card inside. Through SIM card or through Wi-Fi we can completely control this electric vehicle. So this has an OTA upgrade. OTA means over the air upgrade. Okay, so this has a OTA upgrade, and this already I told we have an side stand alarm. When you park the side stand, if side stand is on, automatically it goes to which mode of operation? Parking mode. So when you remove it, automatically the UI itself is showing that this has been unlocked. Automatically it can come to drive mode. So already it has regenerative braking. I will show you the demo, and it has an daytime running. Okay, we have DRLs. These are called daytime running lamps. I will discuss about when you start the vehicle itself, as per the latest government policy, as soon as you start the vehicle should be in which condition? On condition, which is called as daytime running lights. DRLs, daytime. As soon as you start the vehicle, it should be in which condition? On condition. These are called DRL, daytime running lamps. Next one. So this has GPS and navigation options also. Okay, so where is the history, or how many, where the vehicle is traveling, in which direction, with how much speed, everything, including GPS and everything data. Google Maps also will be there. I will show you the maps clearly one by one. Okay, so